It's 8:45 a.m. Today saw what is my first day at work. I checked my bag again and again. I didn't want to forget anything. When I reached the office, everything looked so big. So many people, so many desks. Everyone looked busy. I quietly asked myself, do I really belong here? Then someone smiled at me. Hi, I'm Sarah. I'll show you around. At that moment, I felt a little better. The manager introduced me to everyone. I smiled, but I was nervous. I was afraid. What if they ask me something in English? Then, my first task came. It wasn't difficult, but I checked everything twice. I didn't want to make a mistake. By lunchtime, I had already spoken to a few people. I even laughed once. Slowly, but my fear started disappearing. When I got back home, I smiled, not because I did everything perfectly, but because I survived my first day, and tomorrow I'll do even better. Every expert was once a beginner. The first day is always scary, but it won't stay scary forever. What was your first day at work or college like? Or make one sentence using today's English phrases.